Welcome to the studio today. I have something exciting I want to show you. I have been working with rondels. They are flat glass discs that still have this part on that they have cut it off after they have been blown, made into a ball, opened up, and then made into a disc. Amazing. And so rondels have been around for a long time, for centuries. They've found some windows from the 13th century made of rondels. In the 20th century, they kind of made a comeback, especially in the 60s. And I went to Europe last year and found a lot of windows that were made with these rondels. And it was amazing. Even got to go to Murano to a glass blowing shop. I didn't see them making rondels, but they were making other amazing and wonderful things there. So I'm making a window right now out of these. And they used to be like $2 a piece. Now I have found them online for about $15 a piece. So they've gone up, but they come in all kinds of colors. And so you can do beautiful work with them. This one is going into the Covey Center for the Arts. And as you can see, I've just started cutting out some flowers and blues and greens. I'm going to make the background clear. The outside is going to be a corded clear. And I think that it's really going to be beautiful. So if you want to play around with some rondels, you can order them, or you can have me build a window for you. And I would love to, because I'm kind of enamored with these right now. It used to be that only the bourgeois homes and businesses had them, but now I can make the one for you for your kitchen. So that's what's happening in the studio today.